I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my product review videos. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and just showing you this multimeter test leads kit from AstroAI. So we're going to get right to the unboxing. The reason that we ordered this is, one, because we ordered this AstroAI digital multimeter, smart digital multimeter, and I've done a video on this if you're interested, go check it out. And two, to replace the leads on this multimeter, which as you can see, when my dad was working on a 400 volt transformer, blew up. So we got to replace these probes. So let's take out everything in this package. So this is what we have. One of these actually should go with the multimeter. But this is what you get in the kit. You get alligator clips, you get hook wires, you get the normal leads, and you get these test probe ends. And I'll show you guys how these go together in just a bit. But lastly, it also comes with the manual. And this just goes into depth about what actually comes with the kit. Okay, so let's try testing this out on this multimeter. So let's turn it on. We'll just use this light to test it. So first off, it comes with this set of leads, and these plug in. I mean, I'm pretty sure these can connect however you want, either a 90 degree or straight out. I'm gonna go for the 90 degree at the ports. So we'll plug it into the right side and into common, and let's set it to auto. If you're really interested in this, go check out my video on it. It's very fun. And on this side, this is where we can get creative on which tool we use. So first we're going to attach the test probes. So you gotta take off the caps off of them and insert them. And we'll use this to measure continuity in this LED. Okay. Actually, let me just tap these together first. Okay, so continuity works here. And if you're not getting a good enough angle, you can take off the covers. And that will allow you to get some more surface area, contact area, I mean. Oh, there we go. There's continuity. And as you can see, it was hard for me to actually touch those leads. So one way you can fix that is to take these alligator clips and put them on. They go on these pins and they slot into this hole. You push it in tightly. And usually these are meant for things that you need to keep them attached, but you might not be there to hold them in place. For example, like a car battery. So let's try hooking them up to this side. Let's try hooking up the alligator clip to the other side. You know, it's useful if you need to use your hands for something else while you're testing these. And as you can see, it detected continuity. Let me just... There we go. The last one I want to show you is these hook clips. So these, the way they work is you push down on this and you can see a little hook comes out. So you can use these for many uses. In particular, one thing I would use it for, or one thing I have used it for, is in the past, you know, I go to Harvard and I'm studying mechanical and electrical engineering, and we do some labs with electronics in those classes. And one thing we work with is breadboards, which use very small wires. So those small wires can require something to hook onto them so that we can get an accurate reading of, you know, current, voltage, and things like that. The way they plug in is simply push it in, and well, there's not really a thing I can use. Actually, you know, I have this project I was working on at Harvard. So this is an example where you might want to use a hook. Oh, that's a loud airplane. I think my friend might be finding that actually. This is where you would use the hook probe, because as you can see, this is a very thin wire, and it just stays on there very tightly. Okay, so that was a quick demonstration of all the items that come in this. Let me just move this to the side. In this kit. I'm Aiman, and today I just showed you and demonstrated this AstroAI multimeter test leads kit. As you can see, it's very versatile, has many uses. If you're a budding electrical engineer or electrician, I definitely recommend just getting a multimeter test lead kit in general. It doesn't have to be AstroAI, but if you're interested, then you can buy this on Amazon for $10. I'll link it down below if you want to buy it. But as you can see, very versatile, and I'm very happy with it for just $10. I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the product review videos. And like I mentioned before, we did a video on this smart digital multimeter, so go check that out. It's very interesting of a watch, and I'll see you there. But for now, I'm Aiman, and signing out. Peace. Okay, well, let's be adventurous here and stick this in there and see how much it changes. Alright. As you can see, we should be at about that temperature. I think low is about like 55 degrees, 57. So we're almost about there. It's still cooling down a bit because it's been hot outside. But it looks like the temperature reading is accurate. And I bet if I stick this outside again, it will return back up to 85 degrees.